Hi, folks. Richard Fontaine here. And thank you for joining us today. And today we're going to review YouTube Jacker AI. So let's get on with it. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches, Trevor Carr, Fergal Downs, and Max Gerstenmeier. And they will help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. And they will stay with you until you reach that $10,000 a month. Now, this is massive opportunity, folks. So if you're interested, click the first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic once a week. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order, for instance, for a high-value gig, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver it to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. And the third bonus is that you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing, folks. It's a reoccurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It will show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you can receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then you will be able to turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get on with the review. First thing, let's meet the vendor, Ariel Saunders. Now, this man is an elite vendor on Warrior Plus with numerous products to his credit. In a nutshell, the YouTube Jacker AI presents a unique AI-driven approach to leveraging your YouTube's massive traffic and revenue generation audience without the typical hassles of video creation or advertising. It's a wide array of features and simple usage that make it a valuable tool for marketers and content creators looking to capitalize on YouTube's platform. Now, there are several features with this product, but here are 9 of them. You can utilize advanced AI to tap into YouTube's extensive video collection, redirecting views to your chosen links. You can send thousands of views in just 3 hours, potentially earning up to an average of $346.34 on autopilot. Now, this is something that the beta testers were able to do. Number 3, it eliminates the need to create and upload videos or invest in paid advertisements. And early adopters get access to YouTube Jacker's AI's done-for-you videos, which have been shown to increase profits by over 193%. Now, it offers a one-time payment option, saving users from reoccurring monthly fees, and this is a great payment option. Number 6, the AI automatically selects profitable videos, and which means really you do not have any manual work to do. Number 7, this feature drives thousands of clicks to any link. And here's the big thing. It's for free. And you can gain instant access to over 800 million videos and complete control over each one. And it can easily be monetized with high-ticket offers provided by the platform itself. Now, these are just 9 of the key features, and there are many more in the sales video, as you will see. Now, here's the sales funnel. The front end is $16.97, and OTO1 is a YouTube Jacker AI Unlimited for $36.90. The YouTube Jacker AI Done For You is $147.70. The OTO3 is a YouTube Jacker AI Agency Unlimited, which goes for $66.98. And OTO4 is the YouTube Jacker AI Maximizer Commercial for $46.90. And you then are able to get to a YouTube Jacker AI reseller for 100 licenses for $96.90. And the OTO6 is the YouTube Jacker AI White Label for $296.98. Now, the OTOs allows you to sort of scale up the front end, but watch for the downsells, and you'll save some money, but you'll also get less product. Now, if you want to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. Now, before I go, check out how to learn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. And this is a deal breaker, folks. I can't recommend it more. And my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online business and get access to a ton of free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. It'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And you can also find that you will get a reoccurring income online easily. Now, click the link below to get to the sales page. Thank you for listening.